idea what tool to use for drilling holes when I wanted to make some crafts, but with this, I just need to switch the drill bit, and it's so convenient. I love its snap-on design, and this is its charging port, USB-C. Whether it's for yourself or for your dad and friends, you can't go wrong with this 2-in-1 magic tool.
Germany 24, in one multifunction screwdriver set. It is the highest performing practical tool in the world. It can meet all the dismantling and repairing desires of boys. It includes 24 selected precision screwdriver heads, suitable for various types of screws. Easily handle repairs. No rust, no deformation. One set can be used for 20 years. Magnetic adsorption design. Firmly adsorbed in the slot of the box. It won't fall off no matter how much it shakes. It is also convenient to carry when going out. 6-sided non-slip handle. Top rotary design. Makes daily use more effortless. Fixing glasses, braces, children's toys, and household appliances are all a breeze. There is no more suitable common tool for home use than this, and the price is also very cheap. Order now and receive a 30-year warranty. Hurry up and grab it.
Tired of seeing a blurred reality? Try these self-adjustable